Ever wondered how 3D printers have revolutionized the world of design and production? Well, buckle up for an exciting journey through the fascinating world of 3D printing. Question 1. What's the magic behind 3D printing? The secret lies in a process called additive manufacturing. Unlike traditional methods that carve or shape pieces from larger blocks, 3D printers build objects layer by layer from the ground up, reducing waste and allowing for intricate designs. Ready for question 2? Here it is. What materials can you use for 3D printing? While many might think of plastic as the go-to material, the reality is far more diverse. From metals and ceramics to wood and even food, yes, you heard it right, food. The possibilities are virtually endless. Question 3. What was the first ever 3D printed object? If you're picturing something complex, you might be surprised. The first 3D printed object was a simple eye wash cup, printed in 1984. Simple, yet revolutionary. Moving on to question 4, do you have any idea how long it takes to print an object? Well, the duration can vary dramatically depending on the size and complexity of the design. It can range from just a few minutes for a simple item to several days for a more intricate piece. Now for our final question, question 5. What industries benefit from 3D printing? While the applications are wide-ranging, some of the most significant impacts have been seen in fields like healthcare, where custom prosthetics and organs can be printed, aerospace for lightweight and durable parts, and architecture for creating detailed scale models. So, to summarize, we've learned that 3D printing works through additive manufacturing, can use a wide variety of materials, created an eye wash cup as its first object, can take anywhere from minutes to days to print an object, and has applications in numerous industries. Indeed, 3D printing is not just about creating objects. It's about pushing the boundaries of imagination and making the impossible possible. So the next time you see a 3D printed object, remember the magic, versatility, and impact behind it. This has been your deep dive into the captivating world of 3D printing. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning.